Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 10, Refraining from Wrong Views. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on avoiding refraining from wrong views. Wrong views are incorrect and misguided perceptions. They are like a faulty navigation system that leads us astray, making our journey difficult and perhaps endless. All attachment and resentment arise from wrong views, which are the root cause of all our suffering. However, the Buddha showed us a path forward. By moving away from wrong views, we can achieve 10 incredible merits. The 10 merits of abandoning wrong views. 1. A mind of true wholesomeness and true friends. With a correct understanding, your mind will naturally be filled with joy, no longer troubled by worries. You will attract true spiritual friends who will guide you, accompany you, and keep you in a state of happiness. 2. Deep faith in karma, willing to die before committing evil. This is the core of abandoning wrong views. Those who truly abandon wrong views have unwavering faith in the law of cause and effect, that good actions lead to good results and bad actions lead to bad results. This wisdom allows them to uphold precepts, even at the cost of their lives. Anyone who still doubts the law of karma has not yet left the realm of wrong views. 3. Solely taking refuge in the Buddha. With correct views, we will not be misled by various external paths or false beliefs. We will single-mindedly take refuge in the Buddha, knowing that this is the ultimate path to liberation. For an upright and correct mind, free from doubts about fortune, you will have an upright heart and a correct understanding, no longer believing in divination, fortune-telling, or superstitions about luck. You will know that all results stem from your own actions, and you won't be troubled by these unnecessary doubts. 5. Rebirth in the human or heavenly realms. Correct views allow you to make the right choices. You will be able to control your destiny, constantly being reborn in the human or heavenly realms, and avoiding the suffering of the lower realms. 6. Endless accumulation of merit and wisdom. Guided by correct views, every good deed you perform becomes a resource for accumulating merit and wisdom. Your blessings and insights will continuously grow. 7. Forever leaving the wrong path and following the sacred path. You will forever depart from all incorrect paths of practice and firmly walk the path of liberation followed by the sages. 8. Arising of self-view, abandoning all evil deeds. The most fundamental wrong view is clinging to the body as me. This is the root of all afflictions and evil deeds. When you have correct views, this attachment to a self disintegrates, and you will naturally stop committing evil actions. 9. Dwelling in unobstructed wisdom. Your wisdom and insights will become clear and unobstructed, allowing you to thoroughly comprehend the true nature of all things. 10. Not falling into difficulties. By moving away from wrong views, you gain powerful protection and will not fall into various hardships or disasters. These are the 10 merits achieved by abandoning wrong views. If we can dedicate these merits to the pursuit of supreme enlightenment, then upon becoming a Buddha, we will quickly realize all the Buddha Dharma and achieve effortless, supernatural powers. May we all cultivate correct views, abandon wrong views, and fill our lives with light and hope. Thank you for listening.